कॉन्फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन इंडस्ट्रीज का बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल इवेंट था आज, और बहुत सारी वुमेन लीडर्स थी और यंग वुमेन लीडर्स थे, बिजनेस एंटरप्रेन्योर्स थे, पॉलिटिकल बैकग्राउंड से थे, हेल्थ से थे। एंड सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि ऐसी आप उसको उर्दू में गुफ्तगू कहें, बहुत ज़रूरी है टू एनर्जाइज द वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योरल इकोसिस्टम। बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम आपस में बात करें और इकट्ठा काम करें। Like I said, we women need to work together. So I am honored to be here.
We have tried to cover up the timeline. At the end, I would like to just say two things. That one, CI is committed to continue this dialogue, and our leadership, right from our chairman to panel convener and co-convener, I'm sure have taken note of certain observations.
I think men folk also have a role in educating the society कि हम ये differentiation ना करें। जहाँ medical sector है, मैंने nights की है। अगर कोई डॉक्टर नाइट शिफ्ट पे जाएगा, that's acceptable. अगर corporate sector में आपकी नाइट शिफ्ट होगी तो दिन से कि आप अपनी जॉब छोड़ो। So हमें ये awareness create करनी है। I think first step is education.
Provided that your workspaces are safe, your safety instructions are in place, women can work. Secondly, women were not allowed to work in the night shift. Now they are allowed to work the night shift, but that is specifically with the consent of the women employees.
Employees does not know anything about those laws. I was very close to Commissioner, Labour Commissioner sir, and we did lot activities. Last time we did at Pulwama industrial area, Lasipura, then runway and all. So I think everybody here belong to some company, belong to some entrepreneurship.
Patriarchally, जो हमें कुछ roles दिए गए हैं already. When we talk about these, handloom sector and other sectors, so we are pushing them again into that sector, जहाँ पर वो फिर से वही ससने का काम करेगी, and then again वो it's not, I don't know how we call it entrepreneurship, या इसको हम कैसे देखते हैं। एक वो है, दूसरा ये है that how is our system becoming, responsible, or our ecosystem building up. For example, we had a family in जो फ्रूट मंडी में जो काम कर रहा था बंदा, he passed away. अब उसकी बीवी है, उसको अब इस बिजनेस को टेक ओवर करना है, but there is no ecosystem where she can enter into this business. What we all, CII and all of us are doing to create that ecosystem that she can come in and sit and continue that business.
I have. Whether even it is sui daga. Like we don't talk about, we have most of the tailors as men. But हम ये तो नहीं बोलते हैं कि वो क्यों सिलते हैं कपड़े, वो तो आदमी है. Because he is good at it. He is good at it. So I will be excelling anywhere where I am good at it. I am not good at stitching. I am not good at cooking. I may not be good at even homemade. I was good in administrative skills, so I joined this. It is just that, and biologically we are gifted. We are gifted. We cannot ignore the biology.
We have ESIC as well, Japanese employees. We have Bosch. We have maternity leaves. Everything that is supposed to, have from an employer to an employee. एंड जैसे प्रति साहब ने कहा कि हम उनके हाथ पकड़ते हैं, उनसे कहते हैं कि आप हमारे साथ बैठो, काम करो। In 2019 I got my baby girl and I took a leave for 4 years and came back to Jamia after 4 years. The beauty of her
Embrace the motherhood. So all the issues today, what she's been able to do and get all of us together.
So I'm fortunate to have a member in my team, Rafia. Rafia has been continuing this journey with me for women leadership initiative. She leads program in Kashmir, and she has continued this journey, and she is going to soon take embrace the motherhood, and I would like to congratulate her. And I would like to thank her for being a pillar of strength and support, and I am sure she will continue interacting with all of you. and take the journey.
I
Thank you.
would just
Thank you.
like to say that Rafia has been the backbone of this whole thing ever since I joined CII. Despite her the conditions she's in right now, mashallah, she has been very, very hardworking, be it in the morning or the late hours at night. So congratulations to Rafia.